So we're going to highlight some of the features on the 2024 GP 1800 SVHO. We're going to start with the power plant because that's always the most fun and exciting part. So the GP is part of Yamaha's performance line. This machine has the 1800cc supercharged motor. It's good for about 250 horsepower. Top speed on this thing is right at 70 miles an hour. And the 0 to 60 is just under 4 seconds. So even though it has far less horsepower than the Sea-Doo, as far as top speed goes and quickness out of the water, this thing is right there with the RXP. Same underseat storage that's found on some of the other watercraft that Yamaha makes, waterproof, and with both of these open, gives you your access points for maintenance items, your battery, oil, filter, that type of stuff. While I've got this seat in my hands, just want to point out, even though this is black material, it's cool touch. This thing can sit in the sun all day and you can still put your hands on it. It's a really, really cool material and is awesome for those hot summer days when you're out in the sun. You can sit down on this thing without burning your butt and just makes it a lot more enjoyable to be out riding. Moving on to the features on the handlebars here. Yamaha's got a new feature called TDE, which is your thrust directional enhancer. So what that means is at idle speed, you can adjust the gate on the back up and down, which gives you better low speed maneuvering, which will be very convenient when you're in marinas and around docks and other places that you don't want to bump into. With your cruise and no wake mode, that's pretty obvious. You can set your cruise and your no wake speed right here. And then over here, you just use the up and down button to adjust that speed. Moving to the front of the handlebars, we've got our two throttles. So Yamaha uses a system that's called Ride. You've got a forward throttle, and over here you've got a reverse throttle. It's a really cool feature, makes maneuvering extremely easy. If you want to go in reverse, you just simply pull this throttle, and when you want to go forward, you pull this throttle. Makes it really easy to maneuver. And when you're cruising down the water, you can pull this reverse. It'll help you decelerate, and then it'll go into reverse to make stops and turnarounds a little quicker than they normally are. Just like all the other Yamaha watercraft, we've got storage here in the front. So you can take all your equipment with you, ropes, tubes, life jackets, all that stuff goes right in here. Yamaha has redesigned the hinge on the front, so you get a little bit more sturdy hinge on this door. They were a little flimsy in the past, but now it's nice and solid. This model, we ordered it with the stereo. The stereo is always a really popular upgrade. Everybody likes to take their music with them out on the water. So we've got this one equipped. Cool touch seat, which we've already pointed out. And then moving to the back, you get the standard reboarding ladder, which makes it easier to reboard the watercraft when you want to stop and jump in for a swim.